Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can connect your controller to GeForce NOW. Now, most of the time your controller has different connection modes, something like Bluetooth connection, 2.4 gigahertz, and lastly our wired connection. So if you're doing this for the first time, I suggest doing it first with a wired connection. And basically in myself, I have it set it up right here. And to connect it with your GeForce experience, actually it will automatically be connected. Just make sure that your GeForce Now is updated to the latest version. And basically, you also have to make sure that you are logged in onto an account. So make sure that those are done. Now, if that didn't work, you also want to try using different connectivity like Bluetooth, 2.4 gigahertz, and wired. And basically from there you are good to go. Connecting your controller is really simple. Most likely it will be connected already, and if not, try different connections. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.